Today we have the 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan. This vehicle has done just over 39,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access smartphone integration, app connect, navigation, images and air conditioning. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can get a good view of our panoramic roof and see that we have a full cloth grey and black interior.